Let our dream home inspire yours. The Whitfield, a timeless 3,200 square foot floor plan, was built inside our showroom in partnership with Southern Living magazine. Since opening in 1999, the Dream Home's interior design and patio have been regularly reimagined to showcase our store's latest and finest offerings. Over 500,000 visitors have toured our expertly detailed rooms and have been inspired by stylish furniture, accessories, appliances, cabinetry, lighting, window treatments, and flooring, all available to purchase in our store. Our lead designer, Carol C. Youth's vision for the home pays homage to her adopted state of Georgia. Her new traditional style features warm tones of clay. Spaces subtly reflect the state's terrain, from mountains to urban landscapes to the seashore. The Dream Home at Carpets of Dalton and Furniture of Dalton, the destination that brings you home.